Wearing pants with long-handled reacher. Wearing pants. Dress the operated leg first. Gather the material for your operated leg's pant hole. Clamp the pants with your reacher. Lower the pants onto the floor with your reacher. Pull the pants up with your reacher. Reach for the pants when it is above your knee. Put the reacher aside. Dress your non-operated leg. Reach for your walking frame. Stretch your operated leg out. Place your hands on the armrest for support as you stand. Place one hand on the walking frame as you pull your pants up. Taking off pants. Stretch your operated leg out. With one hand on the walking frame, pull down the pants. Once the pants is past your hips, reach for the armrests and lower yourself down. Remove the pants from the non-operated leg first. Use the reacher to remove the pants from your operated leg. Use the reacher to bring your pants up. Place the pants and reacher aside.